Yanmega. Yanma. I was never a big fan of Yanma, but I think the dragonfly is a little bit of cute, oh yes. But when Diamond and Pearl came out and I saw that Yanma got an evolving, I think, whoa! Yanma's gotta evolve! That's awesome! Yanmega is probably based on the majestic Asian dragonfly Meganeuromonje. It get that Asian form with the attack, yes, Asian power. Maybe it's a primal version, so Yanma could possibly have been primal Yanma if primal version was created in the 4th generation. Yanmega speed is probably the same as Yanma, but all the other stats, it's increased. In the anime, when Jessie got to have Yanmega instead of Dustox, ooh yes, Arbok and Yanmega is the greatest Pokemon that she ever had. I love Yanmega because of the Asian predator look it have. And I think that Yanmega's name is a combination of Yanma and Meganeuromonje. Or perhaps Game Freak possibly will have the Mega Evolution in their brains on that time when the Generation 4 was created, but I'm not sure. Just a theory. And a good moveset for Yanmega will be Asian Power, Air Slash, Bug Buzz, and Solar Beam, and then let it hold a Focus Sash. You can think if you fight against a Rhyhorn, and the Rhyhorn will attack with the Rock Tomb, and you have preparing your Solar Beam, and after the Rock Tomb has ended, and you're still alive with the Focus Sash, you will blast Rhyhorn away with Solar Beam. Oh yeah, I love Yanmega. See ya!